A decisive move, the Union Cabinet approved the draft Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2017. The Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has said that the government aims to make triple talaq void and illegal instantly.
The PM Modi-led Union Cabinet has cleared the historic Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2017 at its meeting on Friday. Now, instant triple talaq or divorce announced thrice in writing or transmitted in electronic form will become illegal. The government intends to get this path-breaking bill passed in the current winter session of Parliament.
हमने मुस्लिम वुमेन प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ राइट्स ऑन मैरिज बिल को अप्रूव कर दिया है, जो 3 तलाक की पीड़ित महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के बारे में है। मैं आपसे इतना ही कह सकता हूं कि इस बिल के डिटेल स्ट्रैटेजी के बारे में यहां मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता, सिवाय इतना कहने के कि ये बिल देश की मुस्लिम समाज की महिलाओं के सम्मान और सुरक्षा के लिए है।
The law will apply only to instant triple talaq or talaq-e-biddat. This form of divorce in oral, written or electronic form will be illegal. Instant triple talaq will now be a non-bailable, cognizable offence. The victim can seek subsistence allowance for herself and minor children. The centre has sent the draft law to the states for consent. Muslim women have come out in complete support of the bill, praising the government for standing up for their rights.
मैं इसका स्वागत करती हूँ, वेलकम कर रही हूँ और सबसे पहले सुप्रीम कोर्ट का मैं माननीय उच्च न्यायालय के सभी सम्मानीय जजेस का मैं स्वागत करती हूँ। प्रधानमंत्री जी का भी धन्यवाद देंगे क्योंकि उन्हीं ने इस बात के लिए चर्चा उठाई और आवाज दिया।
The move has been welcomed by women across the board, Muslim women calling it historic.
हर एक औरत यही सिक्योर फील करेगी अब, क्योंकि जो शरीयत का लॉ था वो कोई फॉलो नहीं करता था, अभी वो फॉलो करेगा। बिकॉज कोर्ट ने ये डिसीजन लिया है कि अगर ट्रिपल तलाक देना है तो दे शुड गो लीगली।
A constitution bench of the Supreme Court declared instant triple talaq as unconstitutional and against the fundamental rights of women in August this year. The judgment was pronounced by a 3:2 majority. Apart from the government-supported petition, there were 5 separate petitions which challenged the practice of triple talaq. Muslim women had demanded the practice be declared unconstitutional. The government had informed the Supreme Court that if declared unconstitutional, it would bring a legislation to end it. The Modi government has done just that, and the proposed bill is a welcome step to bring relief to Muslim women burdened by the fear of their marriages being dissolved after the utterance of 3 words: talaq, talaq, talaq. With inputs from Sudhakar Das, News Night Desk, DD News.